Hello and welcome. Let me ask you a question. Why are you willing to wait in line and pay a premium for a phone with a simple Apple logo on it? Why do you feel a surge of motivation when a shoe brand tells you to just do it? And why does a simple jingle for a dairy brand like Amul make you feel a sense of national pride? It's not just about the product, it's about the brand. And in this masterclass, we're going to demystify that magic. We're going on a journey from theory to practice. We'll start with the very soul of a brand and end with you having a complete blueprint to build your own. We'll cover everything from the psychology of color to crafting a brand story that connects. And we'll look at how giants like Apple, Nike, and even Zomato do it. Here's what we'll cover. First, we'll decode the brand Trinity: identity, image, and equity. Then, we'll dissect the brand anatomy, your visual and verbal toolkit. Next, we'll write the rulebook, crafting your own brand guidelines. After that, we'll learn the art of connection through brand storytelling. We'll then master strategy with powerful positioning. We'll explore the difference between personal and business brands. And finally, we'll learn from the titans with in-depth case studies. By the end of this course, you won't just understand branding. You'll be ready to build a brand that people don't just buy, but buy into. Let's get started. Module 1. The brand Trinity: identity, image, and equity. To understand branding, we need to start with its three foundational pillars: brand identity, brand image, and brand equity. Now, these terms get thrown around a lot, and they're often used interchangeably, but they are fundamentally different. The easiest way to remember them is to think of a brand like a person. Brand identity is how you intentionally present yourself to the world. It's your clothes, your values, the way you choose to speak. It's who you say you are. Brand image is your reputation. It's what other people actually think and say about you based on their interactions with you. It's who they think you are. And brand equity is the level of trust and influence you've built. It's the value of your reputation. It's the reason people trust your opinion or want to be associated with you. Let's break each of these down. Your brand identity is the unique fingerprint of your brand. It is the collection of all the visual and verbal elements you create to portray a specific image to your audience. Its nature is stable, consistent, and meticulously controlled by you, the company. It's the anchor that keeps your brand steady in the minds of consumers. This control is exercised through a document we'll build later in this course: your brand guidelines. Your identity includes tangible things you can see and touch, like your logo, your color palette, and your typography. But it also includes intangible things, like your company's mission, your core values, and your brand's personality. It is everything you deliberately put out into the world.
Now, if brand identity is the cause, then brand image is the effect. It is the reflection of your brand in the public's mind. It's how your customers actually perceive, remember, and evaluate you based on their experiences. Unlike identity, your brand image is dynamic, fluid, and it forms organically. It's shaped by every single touchpoint a customer has with you, from the ad they saw on Instagram to the experience they had with your customer service, to a review they read online. You can influence it with a strong identity and great service, but you don't fully control it. It lives in the minds of your audience. So you've built an identity, and that has created an image. What's the result? That's brand equity. Brand equity is the commercial and social value of your brand's reputation. It's the secret sauce, the VIP status your brand earns over time. It's the reason a well-known brand can generate more revenue than a lesser-known one, even if their products are nearly identical. This value is built on pillars like brand awareness, perceived quality, like how good they think you are, brand associations, like what feelings they connect with you, and most importantly, brand loyalty. When you have high brand equity, like Apple or Nike, you can command premium prices, your marketing becomes more effective, customers are intensely loyal, and you even have a buffer to protect you if you make a mistake or get some negative press. It is one of the most valuable assets a company can have. Let's take a closer look at the difference between brand identity, brand image, and brand equity. Brand identity is who you say you are. It's intentional, stable, and consistent. You design it, and you control it. It's how you express and communicate your brand. Brand image is who people think you are. Unlike identity, it's dynamic and constantly changing. You can't control it directly, but you can influence it. It forms organically through people's experiences and perceptions, and it reflects your reputation. Finally, brand equity is the value of how people see you. It's cumulative, built over the long term, and earned through trust. This is where your brand becomes an asset, something with lasting value that goes beyond just products or services. So, in summary, brand identity is about expression. Brand image is about perception, and brand equity is about value and trust. If you found this session valuable, hit that subscribe button and like this video for more content like this. See you in the next chapter.